Welcome to PteroPlayz. Today we are gonna see how to make Pterodactyl Panel in free VPS. First, join my Discord server from the description. Then go the channel Pterodactyl Setup. If you don't join my Discord server, I won't take any guarantee of your panel. After opening my Discord server, copy the github repo from Playit given in the channel. Paste the github link in the repo URL area. Don't change the name of the repo and turn on mobile SDK. Now wait for the web store get created, don't refresh the page. After it's created, wait for a while. And if a pop-up shows up, press cross button. And if you didn't press the cross, you need to restart the whole process. Press on the 3 lines on the left top of the screen and go to Terminal. Slide the terminal screen up. Go to the Discord server and copy the reals command properly. And then paste the command in the Google IDX. Press 2 and then press take me there, don't press close. Then press on rebuild environment, don't press anything else here, change anything please. Meanwhile, go to your domain manager. If you don't have a domain, I will make a video on how to get free domain if this video gets 10 likes. Go to Zero Trust section and VPS showing to add payment options, go to Google and search how to use it for free. Then go to IDX and let it open. After it opens, copy and paste the real VPS command to start your VPS again. Press 1 to create a new. Press 7 to install Debian 12, it's the best and lightest operating system. Put any VM name of your choice. Don't put any host name apart it empty. Make the user and password root, so you have full access. Give disk of 40 grams and memory 3200. Give total of 8 CPU cores per house, it's the most you can give. Then skip other sections, don't put anything. After that, wait for Debian to fully load and get installed. Press 2 and then 1 to start your. Don't create multiple VPS, it can lag. Then wait for it to boot up fully. Log in with the username and password you entered during the setup. And then copy the Pterodactyl Panel command to install Pterodactyl Panel and other tools. First select Cloudflare setup, so we connect to domain first. Wait for Cloudflare to get installed. Now press on add a tunnel and then select Cloudflare. Give any tunnel name as you wish. Then press on save tunnel. Then select Debian, which is our operating system, and then copy the command from down. Open IDX and paste the command you copied. My bad, first press 0 to exit, then paste the command. After you paste it, open Cloudflare and wait and then click next. Give the name panel and select your domain. Select HTTPS and then in the URL section write a localhost. Click on additional settings and open TOS and click on no TLS verify. And then press save. Copy the Pterodactyl command again and paste it in IDX. Now select one for panel installation and enter your domain. I would recommend to paste your domain in Notepad so it's easier. Don't copy HTTPS and other, only copy the domain. Then paste it in Google IDX. Now wait for the panel to get fully installed. After it gets installed, type yes and enter your email username and password. After entering the details, open the link of your domain and it will work. And press in login to get logged. Now press on admin. Go location and enter the location of your COIS. Press on create and then in short code enter any country code. Then go to nodes and press on create. Give any node name and you can give a description and then go to Cloudflare. Press on add root and give subdomain node 1 and choose any domain. Select HTTPS and enter localhost 8080, not only localhost. And go to additional settings and turn off no TLS verify. Copy the URL of node 1 without #. After copying it, paste it in the FDQ section of Pterodactyl Panel in Nodes section. And add 3200 memory and 4000 disk, and in both the over location and change the daemon port to 443. After pressing on create node, press 2 in the Google IDX to install Wings. Open Pterodactyl Panel and then Configuration. Copy the UID from the configuration. Press Y to auto-configure Wings. Pass the UID you copied. Now copy the token ID and then paste I to I in the Google IDX. Then copy the token and paste it in the terminal. Then copy the URL in the configuration widths. Don't remove anything. After doing all of this, your wing will start working. If you don't get a green heart, then you have done something wrong. Open Discord again and go to Playit setup channel and copy the second command. Press 0 to exit and then paste the Playit command. Wait for Playit to get installed. Make sure you have a Playit account, or Playit won't work. I already have an account, so I will log in. If you don't have one, then you have to create one. Copy the link or directly open by pressing Alt plus click. Meanwhile, open Pterodactyl Panel and go to Allocation and give the IP 0.0.0.0. Then open Playit and press Continued, and then press Add Agent. It may take a time for Playit to connect a VPS to their servers. After it comes, press on Create Tunnel. Select TCP plus UDP protocol and then press it will not host malware and press it again. Give port count 1 and local host 19001. Wait for the tunnel to get created. After THR tunnel is created, copy the IP. Paste it in the local port and remove the FTIL, and leave the port and then press Playit. Paste the IP address you copied in IP aliases and remove the port, and paste the port in the port section. Then press Submit. Now go to Servers and press on Create New. Give any server name. Select the owner by typing the email address you typed. Give 0 in everything because 0 means Symphonite. Select Minecraft and choose Paper. Type any version you want to play on. And then press Create Server. Press on the button I pressed to open the panel and wait for the server to get installed. Accept the EULA so you can start the server. After accepting the EULA, the server will start, and you can join through the IP. Copy the IP and open Minecraft. Wait for the game to render as it is the first time the server is starting. See, the chunks are loading so fast and I am getting so less ping. As you can see, I am getting 89 ping, which is very good for a free server. In next video, I will tell how to apply them and set up for free in Pterodactyl Panel only if I get 50 subscribers. If you want to set up crossplay like the drug players can play in Java, create a ticket in my Discord server and I will tell how to do it. I hope that you enjoyed the video and please like and subscribe.